Okay, guys, we're going up here to see Hope's furnace. Okay, we're working our way, but really, I got waterproof boots on. I'm sure he does too. They
bricked it all in.
This is soaked. JC, look up there. Shine your light up there. Keep it on there. Come on.
There's other stuff there too.
Well, I want to the furnace. There you go. Keep it like that, please. Okay, this is Hope Furnace. We're going to go over here and read this sign real quick and tell you what it's about. Okay, let's go over to this side real quick. If I can make it up this hill. Ooh, ooh.
54 to 74. I wonder if it's heated with
Okay, Hope Furnace, 1854 to 1874. One of 69 charcoal iron furnaces in the famous Hanging Rock Iron region. I'm out of breath, guys. Sorry. Extending more than 100 miles from Logan, Ohio, to Mount Salvage, Kentucky. This area contained all materials necessary to produce high-grade iron. The industry flourished for over 50 years, and read it, JC, I'm out of breath.
1 to 60. Let's restart the video.
50 years.
50 years in mid-19th century, during which time the area was one of the leading iron producing centers of the world. The charcoal iron industry was responsible for the rapid development of southern Ohio, and a romance of the Hanging Rock Iron region forms a brilliant chapter in the industrial history of the Buckeye State.
All right, that's what the Hope Furnace is.
1982. What's this?
I'm losing my balance. I'm going backwards. Okay.
So I wonder where the other ones are.
Make it big. Make your light big.
Oh, there's more signs.
So guys, that's all right. I don't want to read all them signs. I'm going to get on this step because I'm losing my balance. There's the big furnace, guys. And you heard the history on it. He read it all to you. All right, make it big one more time, JC. Okay, guys, this is Mysterious Granny. I'm out of here. Peace.